Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
If we can all remain calm, it'll be okay. Amber, I'll take care of the snakes. You take Tracky and get...
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici!
I'm very sorry, sir. It was me.
Then, Thomas.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. Hey! Vito!
Pizza.
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting Genius.
Peter, let's go! You're on!
Come on!
1, 2, 3. A winner! Who'll be jamming now?
Het is een gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
I'll take care of this. Dragon style!
Spinning dragon attack!
Pistón Chiquix. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...
Favorite thing.
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac,
When I changed the direction of my life, when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing Scoop!
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told
So what do you want him to do?
Fix the road!
Because we are a town worth fixing!
Yeah!
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Oh, Hannah!
Thanks for waiting.
No problem. I have to...
Me, young man, you're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, sure.
Hey, Hamilton!
Hamilton here.
Call out our speed!
208 miles per hour. 207.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the tape. K-I-S-S. Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
I'm not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa, no.
So, Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Well, then race for me.
Tex!
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race.
Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind. Oh, put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Strategia. Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
That wasn't even a Sunday drive. That was one lap racing his 500 though. Everybody fighting to move.
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Oh, nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.